Well, hello everyone. Rincon Steve here. Just touching base with our latest project. We've owned this place probably about 4 months and I haven't done a thing to it other than just pile junk here. Can you see that? That's all our scrap from other projects. So just wanted to introduce you to the place. Maybe you saw the video when we did our first walkthrough, because this was an auction. We got this at an auction. So let me just show you around at a county auction. And you saw the inside. Now the outside's a little funky. I don't even know what this thing is here, but whatever it is, it can come down easy. Same thing with all this strange carpentry. Reminds me of a kid's fort. No method, just slap it up, get your pieces to fit in there. So that means it'll come down easy. Anyway, let me show you my first steps here. Got my trailer, and like anything, you gotta clear out the crap. So this stuff came from the backyard, and you know, not a bad sized backyard. I'm actually, my long-term plans here is I'm not sure if I want to sell this place. This might be a good space for a shop. So here's the back access. We're just off of 22nd Street. Got this back alley, and it's the backyard. Not very attractive, is it? But I think a lot of that stuff we can just tear off. But of course, there's piles of crap here. Like I said, I got a full pickup bed trailer full. I got a little bit more here. So I'm just looking to fill the trailer, trying to get to this now that the weather's gotten a little cooler. And but you know, the other thing I'm thinking is, are you thinking what I'm thinking? This tall grass, weather's a little cooler, there's always a chance of snakes. So I'm treading carefully, banging around before I go grabbing anything. So that's it. That's about all there's left here in this pile. There was a lot of stuff in here. And so I'm pretty well full, though I do have crap back here. And just to take you full circle around to the side of the house, it's here, and I'm gonna make a gate there for that. So really, I'm happy about this wall here. Obviously it wasn't put up by anyone that owned this property. It's probably from that one over there, so that helps. And the other property line is there. That's not too bad. So yeah, I'm thinking maybe I'll put a wall up here, put my shop on one side, and then whoever rents here can use this part of the yard. Anyway, that's my update on this. And as we make progress, my goal here is the next month or so to get to it and get it making some money as a rental. All right, that's it from here. I'll check back with you guys again later.